So I'm down here at the Commodore and the Corsiar over there, which is Pommy's car, and we're about to install. This is how to install a polished knob sticker, like that one. Here we have a installed YouTube / polished knob sticker. And well, yeah, that's what it is. And so now we're about to go do it on the Corsiar. First of all, we get blue tack, and put it under each side so it holds it there.
This is just an estimation.
Then we get a tape measure and we measure, so make sure there's an equal distance, and then we get it the right height, and then I'll show you how to install. But first of all, that's how we make sure it's perfect. We got it perfect in the right spot. We'll just put a little dot above the each spot where it's supposed to go. You're too close.
But you need to get the detail on it.
Like a boss.
3 G-unit cars. Nice.
Yeah, okay. The unpeeling. You'll make it. And that is how you install the YouTube / the polished knob sticker. Corsiar, Corona, Commodore, the polished knob.
We're taking pictures of them now.
The video.
Cool, make it skirt. Catch me scraping up the sides, cookie, cocaine, girl. Cool, make it skirt. Catch me scraping up the sides, cookie, cocaine, girl. Cool, make it skirt. Catch me scraping up the sides, cookie, cocaine, girl.